Hi there. In this unit, we will learn about HTML forms. Now consider, you need to create web page for user registration. First thing that you would be doing is make a rough idea on what details you would get from users. Now, after deciding details to get from user, next step would be adding HTML elements to get values from user. Examples of HTML input controls include button, text box, radio button, checkbox, etc. These input controls are placed within form element in HTML page. These form elements have tag form. Now, form elements have two important attributes, which are 1. Action and 2. Method. Once user has entered data, script for processing them will be available in file given an action attribute. Frequently used request methods to send data to server or to request data are 1. Get method and 2. Post method. Here, method that you would like to adopt should be specified in method attribute inside form element. If you use get method to send data, these data will be stored in associative array get. If you use post method, then data will be available in associative array post. Now, let's design a simple form with text controls and a button. First, open Atom Editor. Here, start with HTML tag. Place a form element inside body tag. Every form has attributes like action and method. Here specify action as process.php page. Now data from our form will be sent to process.php file for further action. Also, specify method as get. Now, inside form element, place a controlled text box or an input text field. We have type attribute which specifies type of control to add, whether a text area, checkbox, or other controls. Next we have name attribute which specifies a name for given control. Value attribute gives an initial value to control. Also, create another text field using same syntax but change name as num. This text field will hold phone number of user. Next, create a button with input type equals submit. Submit button will submit our form. Make sure you don't give same name to HTML controls. Now save file as index.php. Next, we need to send these two data to process.php using get method. Now, let's move to process.php. Echo value from controls, username and num. Here we have echo get username and echo get num. We can get form values by providing name of controls within get array. To view entire get array, use printar. Finally, save program. View output in web browser. Here, provide username and phone number values. Next, click button to pass information to process.php. If you notice URL of page, arguments will be visible for users. We can even bookmark this web page with these values. Next, Move to source code. Replace all get methods with post method. Save file and view in web browser. Since we use post method, URL will not show raw values that are passed, hence making it secure than get methods. Thus we have completed our unit on HTML forms with get and post methods. Hope concepts were clear to you. Thank you for taking this unit.